Osunu waiting there.
The rain of miracle falling on us today, 2020. Oh, let it fall, even let it overflow. Aka Chineke, blessings I want today, 2020. Akaya. Aka Jehovah Nemema. Citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, anywhere you there for Nigeria, you there for Edo, you there for Delta, you there for Lagos, you there for Abuja, you there for Kano, you there for Sokoto, you there for Ebonyi, you there for Anambra, you there for Imo. Anywhere you there, where there is life, there is hope. Happy New Year 2020. Happy New Year. All those things wey happen last year, e no go happen to us for this 2020. I want to thank everybody for the time we be so until they watch us on top ITV. Igbo man go say ogini neme. Benin man go say Osunu. Hey, Yoruba people go say kilo de, kilo shele. Things don't happen. Oh, many Nigerians now don't they open their mouths for this 2020. Say all those things wey happen last year, it not go happen this year. The rain of miracle falling on us today, this 2020. Oh, let it fall, even let it overflow. Aka Chineke, blessings I want today. Akaya. Aka Jehovah Nemema. Citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, we want to thank everybody for the time until they watch us on top ITV.
Osunu waiting there.
Happy New Year 2020. This year 2020, na year of favor. Okay, the truth and nothing but the truth. Waiting we want as masses, what we want the federal government do as a matter of urgency. Okay. Because we don't to complain.
For this year 2020.
Yes, now.
First and foremost, light. When they give us light go boost our economy in every area. Secondly, when they maintain schools for our children. Do you understand me?
I don't understand you.
Why?
Last year, so we talk blah. This is now 2020 now.
My brother, now baby, now brothers what they there now. If they do as we tell they talk, things go better for us. Not true, now.
So you say what you want to make our president and his cabinet?
One, this light matter don't choke everybody. Don't make us to become mumu for Nigeria. Secondly, our schools, children, when they maintain our children, when they go better school.
What of cost of living?
We thank God for the cost of living. You know, say that cost of living are for general everywhere. You understand? Then if government go see improve for farmers to give them money to support them, food go dey jabrata for Nigeria.
How you see our Nigerian rice?
Oh, my brother, I thank God for especially Buhari for Nigerian rice. If no be Buhari for Nigerian rice, we don't know wetin be rice. Rice good, Nigerian rice good.
But some people they talk say make they improve on the quality.
That's the thing now, because small sand dey small. If they can improve for that sand, Nigerian rice.
This year 2020. God go do one for us. But
sure.
We as Nigerians, what do you say be our challenge? What the government need to do?
The challenge is all about our leadership.
You know if we talk
the leaders. Yes, now the leaders they have to channel down how they want us to live so that we will key into it.
But we masses we get our own fault.
Yes, because we are not be able to follow the policy of those our leaders. If leaders should put up policies in how we supposed to live, and we key into it, everybody go for us.
Like this 2020 now, what do you go want make this present government led by His Excellency President Muhammadu Buhari? What because he get less than 3 years now to finish?
He should have the poor masses at mind. All the policies that will come up this year, they should always embrace the poor masses. Every other things, it will be okay. Once you have us in mind, with the less privilege, everywhere will be okay.
Happy New Year.
What's new?
Something they happen, bros. Welcome. Happy New Year. I'm happy to see you. Okay, the truth and nothing but the truth. Yeah. This year 2020, yes. Nigerians don't do complain, they talk. What if be our challenge? What do you want me to do for us for this year now?
Actually, we don't want me to do anything more than lies, number one. And the people they complain about hunger, seriously. But there's nothing anybody can do. If man wey chop belle full, even when you dey dance on top him head, he no get wetin he go tell you because he no belle full. But when he no say anything inside belle, if you picture my brother, he ready chew you raw. Now wetin we dey face for the country right now with that. So I beg you, if there's any means you fit tell them, provide little things for these people. Make them fit earn a living. At least put and go out, shop. If they fit belle for my brother. Even when you begin pack all the money, put inside your pocket. Nobody want care. Give us light. Give us good road, good housing. My brother, nobody go care. If you pack all the whole billion of the whole Nigerian money, put inside your pocket, nobody go question. But when you no give them those basic necessities, my brother, if you carry pin, they go tray you. Anywhere you hide that, they will go find a command. That's how you reach you, my brother. Nothing more than that. Just give us that little thing, then you carry on.
The rain of miracle falling on us this year, 2020. Oh, let it fall. Even let it overflow. Aka Chineke, blessings I want today. Aka Jehovah Nemema. Happy New Year, mommy. Happy New Year. 2020. Now more blessings going to happen for your family.
Forward.
They are marching forward, mommy. As a citizen of this country, what do be our challenge? What do you want make government do for us as Nigerians? Because people they talk
plenty plenty where wetin we want make Nigerians do, make our leaders do for us. Children not get work, graduates not get work. Graduates are roaming around the streets. Yes, the graduates are roaming around the streets. No job, no food.
That means make them focus on employment.
Focus on employment. Electricity we not get. No electricity. In my place now, since on the 26th till this moment, no light. No light. We have been burning generator. Is it not unfair? Are we all not one Nigeria again? Una say una banned. Say no importation.
No cross border so that we go
no cross border. But rice they come from somewhere, from the north, yes.
Foreign rice?
Talking at the market, where do they bring her? That they kill our talking for all those one when it take packets. Now it's unfair. Let the politicians think very well. Because one thing that affects one affects all.
There's an injury to one.
An injury to one is
an injury to all.
Oh!
God bless you, mommy.
You are living.
Have a nice day. Hey!
Bosumu, waiting they happen.
This country, Happy New Year. 2020. You as a youth in this country, Nigeria, what do you want the federal government do as a matter of urgency? Because Nigerians they complain. What do you want the government do for us this year?
The thing be say the basic thing wey youth want for Nigeria today so na employment. If youth dey employed, they go come out for street. They no go dey enter yahoo. They no go dey put out for baba thing. Na because they no get work to do na make they put out for anything wey they like. So government as a matter of urgency need to look at the employment rate of our youth and try to give them something to do so that they can do and make them not to be involving themselves in some immoral acts.
But some people they talk say that they beg this federal government now. Say make them do one thing when we say the whole Nigeria go feel. If you dey Sokoto you go feel am. If you dey Edo you go feel am. If you dey Abuja, if you dey Anambra, like wetin be that?
Well, what I feel say na government fit do for Nigeria be say at least if na light 24 hours light untouchable steady everybody wey dey wherever they dey for Nigeria go feel am. If light dey forget empowerment go come.
You sabi dance this music?
My brother, how dey take dance? Show me now.
How you dey? Happy New Year to you and your family. this year you no go borrow money.
Amen.
This year they no go rush you go hospital.
Amen.
This year you no go get any problem for your
Amen.
house. Wetin be our problem? Wetin be the challenge? You as a mother, wetin you think say be the problem wey be say we dey face? Wetin you wan make government do for us for this country? Wetin you wan make government do?
In fact, my brother, you and I know say the problem of this country no be wetin we fit talk in one day. In fact, na my prayer make God just help them to give them the brain wey dem go take lead us aright. But my major concern this time now, in fact, these things wey don high well well when e be say for rich man to even go market na wahala. Things just dey there, especially rice. Many people no eat rice this year. Make God touch their heart. Make God touch the heart of the people when they in power. Make them bring the price of things come down so that everybody go fit afford these things.
Thank you. We wan use this medium beg federal government. Make them tell Federal Ministry of Agriculture and NAFDAC, make them tell the people wey dey produce Nigerian rice, if we must chop rice, make we chop better refined rice. If we must chop rice for this country Nigeria, una say make una dey chop foreign rice again. If we must chop Nigerian rice, make una produce better refined Nigerian rice. All the rice wey we buy for this Christmas and New Year, if you open the bag of rice,
we no want apprentice again.
No,
we no want.
You buy Nigerian rice.
I buy o.
How the rice be?
E good but stone dey am. Stone dey, sand dey, some kind things wey be like black thing na e dey. So we need to come dey parboil am, we come pick am, we come. In fact, I wash my own reach 5 times o. No be small thing, no be lie o. Eziokwu.
But those foreign one we no dey wash am like that.
No, you just wash am, don cook am.
So make federal government tell our producer here, make them produce am the way those foreign one dey be.
Na we dey talk so, make una produce am the way.
What is the problem? How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Happy New Year.
Same to you.
2020.
It's another fresh year.
Fresh year.
Good.
What is our problem in this country? We are complaining.
Yes.
What do you want the government to do? Because the way Nigerians they talk, we are tired.
Well, that is very true. First of all, the leadership of this country, we have to look at it from that side, because if the head of the river is bad, the under will be dirty too. It's true, that is the matter. That is what I'm telling you. Those at the top should regulate it. Though the poor in the society, they are all suffering. They cannot take 3 square meal a day. Yes, they cannot take 3 square meal a day. So we will take once in a day throughout, which is very bad. And this country, we are rich. We are extremely rich. We have oil, we have produce, products, and every other thing.
What is now our problem? What is the problem?
The administration, the way to run the country administration, the way to run it from the top level, the executive, to the judiciary, even to the common men in the society. If we cannot regulate it very well, at the end of the day, the country will still remain as it is now. Because bribery and corruption has eaten deep into the country. Yes, it has eaten deep into the society.
Some people they talk say we are not patriotic enough. That's why things are not going on well.
It is our leaders. I've told you, it is our leaders. If the top is good, the bottom will ever be good. I'm telling you, have you ever seen a river flowing? If the river is flowing, you see that all the decks will be carried all along. But if it is in one particular place, the river is not flowing, the whole place will be stinking.
What will be this one?
Will be dirty. I'm an actor. I am an actor. Look at me here.
Now you be this one?
Yes, this is me. I'm an actor.
And are you the seller?
I'm still the one selling it.
Hey!
You see what it means? Piracy and other things we also involve too.
Once you print 50, they go print 200.
That's right.
This year, this is your video.
I pray that it grows very well.
Amen.
Amen.
What did they call them?
Buried alive. Buried alive.
Something dey happen.
Wetin dey happen?
2020 Happy New Year.
Same to you.
They talk.
Yes,
what
we
do you
are blessed.
what do you want me to do for we masses now?
First and foremost, we thank God. The vision 2020, where the federal government tell us since, we don't see them. And we believe that what they say they want to do, they will do it for us now. Now we do now.
Like wetin?
Many things full ground though. 2020, even Christmas, many things full ground.
Like wetin?
Number one, belle, food day, hungry day everywhere. People there and woman kill a husband because of chicken, money on day.
Woman kill her husband because of chicken.
Chicken, not there. Many things happen for this country.
What make government do for us for this 2020? Where everybody go dey happy.
What do you want make government do for us? No, but they do this lights. Make light there those states.
Nigeria.
Like those that I don't know Nigeria. Make light there those states number 1. Then number 2, all these are journey roads. Road make they tire. Make they tie road. Where they tie? Where? Where they tie? With the come for hotel. Palace Road Junction. Go to south hotel. No road. Oh, wait there go swallow human being. Move. I don't go move. Move. No. I don't go move. See, make government give youth work. I'm not about the sit now day. They know they run for night again at daytime. They go bust water inside house. Nothing dey happen. You go just ask somebody go bust work come meet you. Now they rain now. Move. They go just bust wall like this.
Okay, move.
They government give youth. So this small boy when they give them work, when they work.
Okay, move.
Beg go show beg Baseki.
Same to you. Baba, what else? Happy New Year.
Same to you.
Baba, you are more than 60 years now. What do you want?
I'm 80-something.
80-something. The name of miracle is going to fall on you. Baba, what do you want make federal government do for we Nigerians?
Oh, my dear.
Are complaining.
This very 2019 that has passed, no, I think it is through the prayer of everybody. You see, so many things happen. People committing suicide, no work, hunger. You are coming, the next day you see dead bodies. And no. But this 2020 is what we are praying for. Yeah. That what happened in 2019 should never happen again. Yeah. No, because it's unspeakable. The hardship. Please, may God continue to bless you people for all what you have done. Yes.
The rain of miracle falling on you today.
Amen.
Oh, let it fall.
Amen.
Even let it overflow. Aka Chineke. Thank you. See my fans, oh. Aga. Shout the Masunu again, let me hear you.
Masunu.
Happy New Year. What be our problem for this country?
I don't know what be
our problem. What the government
do? The problem too many. How many will go talk? The problem too much. How many will go talk? I don't know where I want to start.
So you don't forget all of them?
It's too many. No, say
your brain they don't format your brain.
No.
But Nigerians they talk say, what did they want make this present government do? Make they do what the whole Nigeria go feel am.
Now one thing now if they say make I take this government one thing where they want to do, make light. If no only that one they do, make light they stable for this country.
Light go dey shine for Sokoto.
Everywhere 24 hours we don reach make light dey shine for this country 24 hours. Other country wey no big reach like Nigeria, Cameroon, Benin Republic, Chad, some of them they get stable light. Ghana here wey no big reach Edo State, they get stable light. Make light dey shine for Nigeria. E don reach make light dey shine for Nigeria 24 hours.
Cost of living
e still high, very high. Cost of living high.
You don test Nigeria rice.
Nigeria rice good, no be we dey chop now.
How you dey chop now?
Now we dey chop.
Bros, we no dey vex, we no dey quarrel, bros. Wait. What do you think government should do in this country that you know?
I think government should provide road, school, hospitals, and different business. Yes.
Now you will soon resume school now, Abi. What do you want your parents to buy for you if you are resuming school?
My parents, but my mother told me that this year she will make me proud.
Aloko good grade. Grade aloko sela grade. How much? Sell 700. How much? Sell 700. I say that they do hotel interview. If you come on time, select on time. Because when do the same, my dad dey sleep, I got to keep mosquito. I say when do the same, my dad dey sleep, I got to keep mosquito. How much? Sell 700. How much? Sell 700. We have a 700.
Na guys dey buy here, abi na boys dey buy here?
Any size
Happy New Year.
Any size of the waist.
Happy New Year.
How should you say?
Happy New Year. This 2020,
Yes.
better things now we go to see.
No be lie.
But you as person wey dey street dey hustle. Wetin be our problem for this country? You as a youth, wetin you be say we need from government? Other citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I want to thank everybody for the time when they watch us on Top ITV.
Yes,
since they happen all over Nigeria, all over the world.
Yes,
Okay?
I do see you.
Happy New Year.
I wish you the same.
What is our problem? This is another new year. Last
Yes.
year we talk, last 2 years we talk, last 3 years we talk.
Yeah.
You as person, wey be say this street, you dey do market. Wetin you think say be the challenge wey Nigerians dey face wey be say our government need to quickly solve?
The rulers, they are cheating on us because we are the citizens, so we are not getting much from them. So this is survival of fittest.
Survival of the fittest?
Yes, that's what we are running here in Nigeria.
Survival of the
Because we don't believe on the government, because the government cheated on us. So we are not believe on them.
Okay, why you talk so?
We have seen the differences all over. We are under the sun from morning till night. So that's the way you look at the nature of this business. We buy high and sell low. And the buyers now is more than the sellers. This is my business.
Okay, now your business?
Yes, this is my business.
Egole, how much?
This is 2,500 naira. And I buy 2,200 and say
Hey, okay, this thing for Anambra, now 1.5.
This is foreign. It's China.
Huh?
This is China.
Huh?
This is China. This is China. I'm on the line. Yes.
Egole last.
This is 2,500 last.
2,500.
Last price.
This is still your business?
Yes, yes.
How much for this one?
This one I buy 2,500 and I sell 3,000 naira.
But day before yesterday, not be this price, oh.
No, it's the same price. No, forget about December price from this price. It has been a long time. The price is like this.
I thank you for the time you talk to us. God will continue to protect me and you.
Amen.
This 2020.
Amen.
You not go borrow money for this
At
business.
all. God is in control.
God take control.
Yes.
I dey check my blood pressure. Because the way I take dey waka from area to area, location to location. Aunty, wetin I dey check so? My blood pressure. You can't know whether it's too high or it's too low. Hey! Can't check the way the thing they read though. Hey! What's new? Igbo man go say Ogini name. I felt talk am. Say this my waka go dey shout, dey talk. I need to check myself. No fear, they check my blood pressure. So, what is the result? What will be the result?
High way.
My blood pressure high way. No, not be joking, the joke, sha.
Nah, joke. It's good.
It's good, eh? No, we dey on national television, no. As you talk now, people feel fear. So the tea dey normal.
They normal. I want to check your sugar level. This one you know they faint so.
Because I don't talk and say all these yama sweet things when I they take. Hope not be HIV test you dey do so.
No, not HIV.
You want check my sugar level now?
Osunu, waiting they happen.
You want to get water? There is no light.
Osunu, waiting they happen.
You want to get water? There is no light.